Need to update the software on your iPad, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to update iOS on your iPad and how to set up automatic software updates. Now let's get started. To update iOS on your iPad, first open your iPad settings. Then select General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now to download the update. If prompted, enter your iPad passcode to confirm. Then wait for the update process to complete. To set up automatic iPad software updates, tap Automatic Updates at the top. Then tap the switches to enable automatic downloads and installation of software updates on your iPad. That's all it takes to update iPadOS software on your iPad. Want to help your iPad battery last longer? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.